To grease the linear slide, you will need the brown grease for linear slide and a screwdriver. Over time, you might notice that your micrometer becomes stiff. It is important, therefore, that you grease the linear slides to prevent friction and easy movement of your micrometer. To access the linear slide, remove the linear slide cover. Next, back slide all the way to expose the linear slide. Next, using a screwdriver, apply the brown grease to lubricate the linear slide. Next, manually slide the linear slides forward to expose the back side of it. Release the linear slide. Using your fingers, gently move the linear slide back and forth to properly distribute the grease. To regrease the micrometer, unwind the micro positioner all the way back to remove it. Dip the post of the micro positioner into the brown petroleum grease to get some on it. This will regrease the micrometer to function like new. Then reattach the micro positioner back into the housing. Now, using the micrometer, gently move the linear slide back to its original position. You can now reattach the linear slide's cover. After the greasing process, if you are still experiencing problems with your micrometer sticking, please contact your DMT representative. This completes the greasing of the linear slide.